guys, Izzy here from Tech, and we have an amazing special offer for you. From now through the end of the year, when you spend $500 or more on Tech branded product, we'll give you one of these eye-catching shop signs. Let everyone who enters your shop or garage know that you're a tire repair expert and that you only install Tech's permanent tire repairs. This 23 by 34 inch 0.04 gauge aluminum sign features smooth rounded corners and 6 convenient mounting holes for indoor or outdoor display. All you have to do to receive your sign is upload your receipt or invoice to techtireRepairs.com/sign-promo or spend $500 or more on our e-commerce site. Shop online or ask your distributor or territory manager for more information. What are you waiting for? Go claim your sign.